Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. The MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 upgraded DTF printer. I'm super excited to dive into the details of this incredible machine, and I think you'll be just as impressed as I am. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge features, this printer is a game changer for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. One of the most impressive aspects of the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 is its incredible value proposition. With 2 years of free ink and powder starting from 2025, you'll get 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink plus 500 G of powder every 2 months, just covering shipping. This is a huge cost savings of over $1,000 on supplies, which is a significant advantage for businesses or individuals who print frequently. Imagine having the freedom to create and print without worrying about the ongoing expense of ink and powder. It's a huge relief and a major selling point for this printer. Another key feature that sets the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 apart is its anti-clogging intelligent timed cleaning system. With its holiday mode auto cleaning, you don't have to worry about nozzle clogs during downtime. The built-in 3-in-1 black and white ink system continuously cycles, mixes, filters, and eliminates clogging, ensuring that your printer is always ready to go. This is especially important for businesses that rely on high-volume printing, as it saves time and reduces the risk of costly repairs. Plus, with the built-in cleaning system, you can say goodbye to messy hands and stained clothes. The MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 also boasts an impressive 5-inch LED touch panel and high-performance motherboard, making it easy to check nozzles, clean heads, and adjust layouts without needing to frequently operate computer software. This saves time and effort, and the one-click ink fill feature means you can refill your ink without making a mess. The intuitive interface is designed to make printing easier and more efficient, so you can focus on creating and producing high-quality prints. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. In terms of printing speed, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 is equipped with F1080 printheads and A3 Plus film, allowing it to print A3 film in just 3 minutes. This is a significant improvement over previous models, with efficiency increased by 2 times compared to the L1800 and R1390 models. This means you can produce high-quality prints at an incredible pace, making it perfect for businesses that need to meet tight deadlines. Plus, with the dual ink level alarm system, you'll never have to worry about running out of ink mid-print. The ink shortage alarm device indicates which ink cartridge is running low, allowing for timely replenishment to ensure printing quality. As we wrap up this review, I want to emphasize just how impressive the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 upgraded DTF printer is. With its incredible value proposition, anti-clogging intelligent timed cleaning system, intuitive interface, and high-speed printing capabilities, this printer is a must-have for anyone serious about printing. Whether you're a business owner, artist, or hobbyist, this printer is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 upgraded DTF printer today and start creating high-quality prints like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!